Hello there and welcome to another session of making jewelry with silk thread. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional necklace using silk thread. The materials you will need are silk thread, bead base, small pearl beads and bead caps, jump rings and eye pins, flat plier, scissors, round nose plier, glue, Dori, cardboard and thread cord. So let's begin, shall we? First we need to decorate the beads with silk thread. To do this, take a cardboard and start wrapping the thread around it for about 10 to 15 rounds. Then cut one end of the wrapped threads and add glue to the edges to prevent the strands from fraying. Next, add a little glue to the bead surface and start wrapping the strands of thread around the bead. Do make sure the threads don't overlap while wrapping. This will give an even finished look. Take about 15 beads and wrap it with silk thread. Insert a bunch of small pearl beads into a jump ring and attach it to an eye pin. Pass a bead cap through the eye pin. Then attach one wrapped bead followed by another bead cap. Now close the eye pin by bending it with a plier. After completing all the beads, arrange the beads in order of the necklace. First the silk thread beads, then the golden beads and gold pearl beads. By now your necklace will start taking shape and probably get you excited too. Now cut the thread or wire. Double the size of the neck measurement and attach a crimp to one end. Start threading the beads and adjust the beads as arranged earlier. Secure the other end with a crimp and cut off the extra thread. Now attach the Dori to the necklace with the help of a jump ring. And there you go, your silk thread necklace is ready. We hope you enjoyed learning and making this piece of silk thread jewelry. For more such videos, keep tuned and keep learning.